Hi guys, today me and my family are going at the beach. If you don't understand this video, then watch that video. You will understand the whole process. We came here for vacation and yeah. We're going with the kids. Of course, why not? I'm taking him. You can take her. Okay. Okay, we need to head out to... We're probably gonna go first at a shop before we go at the beach. Okay, let's go. We need to go out. Come on. And we have a balcony and we need to go outside. Okay, kids, let's go. We're gonna be late. Close the door. Come on, kids, let's go in the car. We're gonna be late. Kids, y'all gonna sit in the back. And can you drive? Yeah. Okay, let's see. We are here at the playa or beach, because this beach is actually called a playa. So let's just call it a playa. Okay, let's go. So we're here. Kids, do you want to go swimming? Yeah! Yeah, me too! Baby, do you want to go swimming with them? Yeah, sure. And both kids. I'm just going to check right here. Okay, kids, time to go in the beach. Isn't it great? Yeah, it's so great, but it's kind of cold. Yeah, some beaches are cold. Yeah, this is so much fun. Okay, I need to watch my mirrors. Don't go in the deep water. Okay, Daddy. Dad. Okay. Y'all kids have some fun. I'm gonna swim as well. I'm just watching the kids from here. This is so cool. It's so pretty. And later, me and my husband are gonna surprise the kids with going somewhere. Comment down below, what do you think where we are going? This is so much fun. The water is getting warmer. Yeah, it's because you are staying. If you stay longer, then it will get warmer. So much fun. Let's do a race. Ready, set, go. I won. It's fine, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. You did not go all the way. But I still won by another one. And I won. Okay, no fighting, no fighting. We're in the water, so no fighting. It's getting pretty dark. We probably need to go. Oh, it's so much fun here. Yeah, but we need to go. We don't want to stay all night here. Okay, let's go. We need to go. I'm gonna hold her. Okay, we need to go. And kids, we have another surprise. What, you have a surprise? Yeah, you have a surprise? Yes, and it's probably gonna be something really fun. Okay. Okay. Oh, can we have some ice cream? Okay, sure. Let's buy some ice cream. With the cherry on top. I want blueberries. I want cherry. Okay. Can we have, but what for flavor? I want vanilla. I want strawberry. Okay. Can we buy a vanilla ice cream and strawberry ice cream, and the vanilla one with a cherry on top, and no, with this blue thingy, whatever they're called, and the pink one with a cherry on top. Yeah, sure. Let me get that ice cream and get a cherry and I need to hold this with my hand. Okay, you need to carry this. Okay, here we. Sorry. And the cherry, we cannot eat it together. But yeah, it's gonna. Okay, I'm just gonna hold the cherry. Okay, and what again? A strawberry ice cream with the cherry on top. Okay, we cannot put it on top. You're just gonna have to turn ice cream. Cherry. Okay, bye. That was kind of weird. Let's just go. Oh yeah, surprise. Well, you can eat it now. Okay. We are here somewhere special, kids. What is it? It's something special. You guys will probably love it. Okay, y'all can open your eyes. Yeah, I said y'all can open your eyes. Okay, we are at the Ferris wheel. Is this the Ferris wheel? Can we go on the ride? Okay, yeah, we can go on the ride. Let's go. Yeah, did not eat your cherries in the car. Okay. This one is probably not a ride. Okay, let's go. And, ooh, popcorn. We're probably gonna get that later. I want to go on this ride. Okay. Let's go on this ride. Okay. We can go like the girls and the boys together. Good idea. Me and the girls are gonna pick pink, right? Yeah, mommy. We're gonna pick blue. Okay, it's going fast. Oh, it's getting slower and faster. Can we have some popcorn? Yeah, sure. Let me get that popcorn. There's the popcorn. Can we get another one? Yeah, of course. Let me get one Okay, Mar. Got ready. Okay, another one. So much. Okay, any more? No, that's fine. Okay, bye. Okay, let's go. They're going so weird. Okay. We should eat it. Should we eat right here? So good. Yeah, mommy, it's so good. Okay. Let's watch the review. That's really good. Okay. I should probably get home. Yeah, it's getting really late. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We are back home, and it was a pretty fun day, but we're so tired right now. And this is probably the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe and like this video. See you by next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.